Fall and winter are normally associated with cooler temperatures.
But health experts remind us it's also when all sorts of viruses make their rounds, giving people all kinds of coughs and fevers. THV 11's Jalissa Garza reports the health department is keeping a close eye on possible surges coming soon.
New tonight, a CDC report shows the last flu season was mild, and COVID-19 prevention measures may have helped fight flu too. But this winter, our health department is preparing for larger numbers from both viruses.
Cough or a headache, fever, just generally not feeling well. People might have a sore throat, or they might feel like they have some sinusitis, or it could be just like a head cold.
When you feel any of those things, you might think you have a cold. But Dr. Jennifer Dillahay, director of the Arkansas Health Department, says you can't rule out something more serious, like COVID or flu, which can have similar symptoms.
The COVID symptoms tend to be a little bit slower onset. People who get the flu, sometimes it comes on very suddenly. They just feel like they've been hit by a Mack truck.
Our immunity to flu is lower than normal right now, and as seasons change, we could see a stronger flu season this year.
I anticipate from this point on, we'll begin to see an increase in the number of flu cases. We already have early indicators that we will see a trend in that regard.
Although there's a downward trend right now when it comes to COVID-19 cases, she says that may not continue.
We anticipate that if a new variant begins to circulate, we may see an increase in cases, but that remains to be seen.
Keeping a close eye on what's happening in other parts of the world helps health leaders like Dr. Dillahay prepare for what we can expect.
It's been very helpful over time to pay attention to what's happening in the UK. So we could potentially see additional rises in COVID cases as the variants that are circulating shift.
Dr. Dillahay says since winter is not here yet, now is the time to take action to prevent yourself from getting any respiratory virus. Especially important to prevent are flu and COVID. The health department offers free vaccines for both. In studio, I'm Jalissa Garza.